Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another exciting video. So guys, I want to quickly do this. That young guy you saw there was actually the first person to grace that stage. Yeah, the show that we all has been waiting for is finally here, and let me tell you guys, this show this season is going to be amazing. This season is going to be hot. There will be too much drama. Looking from the girls and the guys that are coming in, all of them are like, I'm going to bring in drama, I'm going to bring in this, that. Man, I can't wait. So guys, welcome back to my channel. As I already said, it's your girl Chanel. Yeah, if it's your first time coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, comment, like, and share, and also turn on your notification bell so that you can be the first person to be notified when I post a new video. I know you want to hear more of this gist. So guys, like I said, this season is going to be hot. Do you know why? It's actually double launch. Like today they just launched the first one, and tomorrow there's going to be another launch. So guys, it's going to be hot. And the most amazing part of everything is that the winner of this season is going to walk home with, can you guess, like the prize is making my head to like, woo. The winner of this season is going to walk home with 100 million worth of prizes, like 100 million worth of prizes, brand new SUV from Innocent Motors, and other things, etc, and many more. Guys, this season is huge. Not to talk about that, there's a lot of sponsors. Oh my god, there's a lot of sponsors. People sponsoring this season are too much. There are too many people sponsoring this season. Are too many. There are too many of them. Like, guys, are you sure I will not go for this show? Like, I'll go for this show. The money, 100 million worth of prizes. Man, this lucky person, the lucky person that is going to go home with this prize, the person is blessed. The person is blessed. Grace did the person head. Like, whoa, like really 100 million, guys. But it's a lot, for you to actually win that. There has to be grace on your head, like grace, oil go day your head, like seriously. So guys, and another thing that actually spices up this season is the house. Like the color, the everything is something else. Like this season, Big Brother really sat down to, recreate everything. Like it was too much. Like this season, there's a lot of spices that's in the spiced up things. They really spiced up things, and I think I'm liking the vibes, and I hope the housemates gives us what we paid for. Yes, I hope they gives us what we paid for. And the title for this season is Level Up. Level Up. With the name alone, level up, guys, level up. So guys, you need to level up your listening. The gist are going to be leveled up. Like the goes are going to be leveled up. Like guys, expect the unexpected. See you in my next video. Bye.